On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram limit problem. So the first thing you wanna do is open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and then click on this update option here, as you can see. That's the first way. The second way is you have to open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to the apps and then go to the Instagram app like this. Click on this force stop here and then go down to the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and then click on the power usage details option here and then click on the app launch option and go to the manage automatically right here, turn it on and then click OK and click on this force stop here, and that's it. Very easy and simple, as you can see. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.